Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello teman logo, my friends in Pakistan. This channel, my best friend Safir is Kat Bukhari, New Masera City in Pakistan. My country is Argentina in South America. My city Jujuy. मेरा नाम is Eva Fatma है. Okay, I like you. Your religion is very nice, very beautiful. Me like talk pupils Pakistani. Me look you much big city, Karachi, Masera, Islamabad, Gujranwala is very good. I like your religion, Muslim. Me look a Quran translation in Spanish. Sorry, me Torah Urdu bolti hu, Torah English. Me only speak Spanish. It's very difficult. You talk very fast. Urdu. Me Torah lesson ما سمزنه. Okay. Yes, my country is very good. You can match big children. School is free. University seems free. You study, you extranjero Pakistan, Brazil, Peru, Chile, go my country study is free. No problem. Religion, seems no problem. My country for masjid. Much big Christian, my country. It seems no problem. You other religion, much big religions, no problem. Okay. But, okay. Other days, me talk and my best friend Safir is Kat Bukhari in video call online. Me talk report. Okay, you look photo pink me country. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Huda Hafiz. Good night, my friends.